Facebook friend-making software is not only a useful tool, but also the key to opening your business to thousands of potential customers. With the ability to automatically reach a large number of users, this software not only helps you expand your network of acquaintances, but also enhances your sales. Each personal Facebook account has the ability to connect up to 5,000 friends, and when using multiple accounts, this number can increase significantly. This opens the door for you to take full advantage of your social network relationships, expanding your reach to large crowds without the hassle of connection limits. More importantly, the number of friends and interactions on your posts is the key to opening the door to credibility. With more people paying attention and interacting, your account will stand out, and this increases your chances of attracting the attention of potential customers. In an increasingly competitive market, this not only helps you stand out from the crowd, but also creates a positive image of your business. Customers, when they see your popularity and reputation, will more easily decide to buy your products and services. Usually, making friends on Facebook often requires a large investment of time when having to send invitations to each person individually. However, with the support of friend-making software, you not only save time, but also increase your ability to effectively reach large crowds. This helps you focus on building relationships and optimizing your marketing strategy flexibly and quickly. MKT Care is a popular friend-making software that has received a 100% effectiveness rating from users. It can be said that this is the top choice of many individuals/businesses currently when looking for tools to support automatic friend-making activities on Facebook.